Hey, this is Marco, and in this video we're going to talk about how to list NotCoin. But before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So basically, if you want to list it, you can go to a crypto exchange like Binance or OXK, and basically you can list them there. But another way is you can type in, so for example you can type in how to convert my NotCoin to TON, and this website ChangeNow.io allows you to do that. Now it doesn't have TON, it has all of these other cryptocurrencies. So if you have an account with them, log in, exchange. If you don't, sign up, but I don't think you necessarily need it. But potentially you do. But basically you enter your recipient wallet, NotCoin to whatever coin, and then you confirm it, and then that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.